Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: private methods in Java interface. So first of all, private methods in Java interface. So this concept was introduced in Java 9 version, and using this feature we can have private methods in an interface, Java interface. So what is interface? So basically interface is a pure skeleton class, or it is a pure abstract class. So in interface all the methods are incomplete methods. So we cannot create the object of interface. So object of interface not possible. Okay, so we have to use the interface through subclasses. Okay, so used by subclasses. So in subclasses we have to redefine all the abstract methods. So now in interfaces we can have default methods, we can also have static methods. So this concept was introduced in Java 8 version. Java 8 version. So from 9 version we can also have private methods. Okay, so for example we can take interface A. So inside that interface A I'm taking private void m1, and this private method can also have a body or definition. Okay, and these methods are not accessible. They are not accessible outside the, okay, they are not accessible outside the interface. So we have to use them only within the interface. Okay, right. So such methods are used only within the interface using default methods or static methods. Okay, basically default methods. Okay, right. So basically default methods, we can also take static methods. So what is the use of private methods? So private methods allows us to share a common coding between non-abstract methods in an interface. Okay, so if you have any non-abstract methods like default methods or static methods, if you want to share some common coding between them, then we have to go for private methods in an interface. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Private methods interface example1.java. Take a new page. So first write the comments, program to demo private methods in an interface. So take interface A. So in this we are taking private void m1 method, and we are printing a message here, private method in interface A. So since it is private, it is not accessible outside the class or interface. We have to use this only within the interface. Hence we are taking one default method m2. Inside this default method we are calling m1 method, and default methods are accessible outside the interface. Okay, right. So let us take main class private methods interface example1 implements A, as well as it is a subclass for interface A with main method, and save this program in our working directory. So let us create an object of our subclass new private methods interface example1. So in our interface A we don't have any abstract methods, so our subclass becomes complete class, so we can create an object. So after creating the object, we are putting that reference in base class or base interface obj, object reference variable, upcasting. Okay, so using that base interface object reference obj, we are calling m2 method. So when we call m2 method, internally it calls the private method, and private is accessible only within the interface. So we can access that inside the m2 method. So when it calls M2 method, it will display private method in interface A. Okay, right. So come to the command prompt. Right, so go to your working directory and compile the program. Private methods interface example1.java, no error, and then run it. So private method in interface A. So we can also put one more message here in our default method. Okay, so the message we can write it like this. This is a default method in interface A. So save it and then come to the command prompt, recompile and rerun. So first we'll get default method in interface A, and then it is calling private method in interface A. So M2 method is calling M1 method because private is accessible only within the particular class or only within the interface. So this is how we are supposed to work with private methods in Java interfaces. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.